Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I wanna share tutorial how to make a video ring light challenge like this. For a video like this, we need to take two video and prepare the ring light like this. And then make sure you use a tripod when you take the video, so that the camera position doesn't change. Okay, let's take a video. For the first video, your position is in front, but the ring light is behind. Don't turn on the ring light. Move the ring light from top to bottom or from right to left. For the second video, your position same as before, but turn off the light room. And then turn on the ring light. Move the ring light from top to bottom or from right to left like this. Okay, now time for edit. Open CapCut application, click new project, import the first video, this one, click add, and then import the songs. Okay, and then cut the video according to the beat music. Okay, cut. For the cut, click the video, click split in a bottom, and then click last video scenes, or delete last video since this one. Click and then delete, and then connect with a second video. Import the second video, this one. Okay, and delete a few part of the second video. Match the scenes of first video and second video like this. Try the position of the ring like first video and second video are the same. Okay, set. Okay. Delete a few part. This one, delete. If you think the second video is not dark enough, you can change it in adjust menu. Click the video, swipe, and you can see adjust menu in a bottom. Okay, the brightness to -15 and contrast to 15 and exposure to -15. Okay, click text menu in a bottom. Okay, let's me finish. After this, oh my god, sorry, split and delete. Okay, after this you can import the video to your gallery. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.